What's going on, great designers? Welcome back to yet another video. It is your boy Yema Graphics, and in this video I will be showing you how to create double new effect in CorelDraw. If you are new here, consider subscribing by clicking on that red button below and turn on the bell icon in order not to miss any of my future upload. Without any further ado, guys, let's jump into it. So now this is the new effect. This particular one is what we are going to try to create with this. So this is a normal picture that we have here, and of course we are going to create something like this. So in order to do that, I'm going to delete this first one, or this particular one that we have already done. So I will leave it somewhere here. All right, so we are going to work with this. So the first thing you are going to do is to convert this to bitmap. So first of all, you have to convert it to grayscale first. So we go to our bitmap, click on mode, click on grayscale. All right, so once you are done doing that, so we are going to go back to bitmap again. All right, and then convert it to bitmap. All right, so you have 300 resolution, 300, whatever you want. So, and click on OK. Once you click on OK, you have something like this. So now we are going to duplicate this. We are going to duplicate this like this, guys. So now this is what I have. So I have two of them here. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this first one and then go back to bitmap and click on image adjustment lab. So once I have my image adjustment lab, I'm going to come down here and play around with the temperature. So you can play around with whatever temperature number you want, right? What I want here is over 9, let's say 9,500. I can get 9,500 is what I want for the temperature. So you can just play around with it, whichever one that works for you. You can have 30 here, okay, and I can have for the saturation, I can have let's say saturation should be 100. You can just have 100, but you can just play around with it, whichever ones that whichever way that works for you. So you could just play around with it and then press OK. And once you press OK, you are going to have something like this, guys. You can see that this particular one, you can see the color have changed. So now we are going to work with this one now. So you go back to bitmap and click on image adjustment lab. So maybe you can just put 300 here, or 200, or 2000 rather. Put 2000 here. I can have, let's say 100 here. I can have 100 here, and let's say I can have 50 here. So you can just play around with it, whichever one that works for you. This is what I want at the moment, so I'll just click on OK. So once I have something like, you can see two of them, they have different colors. So now what I'm going to do is to select both of them and press T on your keyboard, so it will bring them together like this. So this is what you are going to have. So once you have this, you have to select the first one and click and come to your transparency tool, click on your transparency tool and apply transparency tool to the first one. So as you can see, now we have the first one, the color is here, and then we have the second one. So you can just play around with it to get the perfect color that you want, whichever way you want to align the color. So as you can see, now we have our new effect, double new effect. Okay, so this is how you create a double new effect in CorelDraw, guys. For those that use to Photoshop, I will show you how you can do double new effect in Photoshop. In fact, the thumbnail of this video is actually showing one of my picture like this that I use. That particular one I use Photoshop to be able to create. So but I'm trying to show the CorelDraw user how to use CorelDraw to create new effects. So I think I didn't want this video to be long, so I think that will be the end of this video. Subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Like and share this video. Bye for now.